Hey everybody, it's Brandon Shane and Brandon Condry, and we have some really big news to share with you. And honestly, it's a little bit bittersweet.
For the past 5 years, we have been building profit cleaners. We've helped over 20,000 cleaning business owners learn how to build a profitable, freedom-based business that you don't have to be a slave to.
And we've documented everything we did to build Sandia Green Clean and build it into a $5 million business. We created a course. As you guys know, we have a community behind this. And we even started doing weekly coaching calls live every single week with the people in that community.
But here's the thing. In January, we're launching something that we've been working toward for years. We can't share all the details yet, but I can tell you this, it's happening. And when it launches, we legally will not be able to sell this coaching to the public anymore.
The Profit Cleaners course, sadly, is going into the vault permanently.
So here's what we're doing. For 1 week only, starting Black Friday, November 28th through Cyber Monday, December 2nd, we are opening the doors one final time, and we are putting together the most ridiculous offer we've ever made.
So here's everything you guys are going to be getting. It's actually crazy. This is a phenomenal value. So listen in real quick, guys. We're going to give you, first off, the complete Profit Cleaners course, which we've sold in the past for $5,000 plus. That's going to be one of the first huge pieces of value. Everything we've taught in the last 5 years to build a $5 million brand in the cleaning space.
So get lifetime live weekly coaching access, which is another $5,000 a year value. So every Thursday with Brandon and I, plus 250 members of the mastermind community. This alone is what worth 10x the price. This is on top of the course. You get to talk to us for an hour every week and bring up any questions you may have.
This is amazing value, guys. This is probably one of the main reasons people join the mastermind and the coaching we've done is just for these weekly calls. So absolutely 10x worth the price for sure. On the back of that, guys, you've started to hear us talk about these apps that we're building, these tools to help you guys just make all these things work better in your business. So we have cleanstack.ai, Founders Pass, 12-month pass to the current apps we've started launching to the mastermind and the future apps. There's going to be a handful of these, probably a dozen at some point here in the next months as we build all these out. So you'll have Founders Pass to those, another $2,388 value right there.
You also get the Brandon Brain, which is an AI coach. This is a $2,500 value. We've put 5 years worth of the coaching that we've done for all those other students and trained it into a private AI. And so it's like having Condry and Shane in your pocket 24/7.
Yeah, I love that. And it'll just make it super easy for you guys. If you're not on a live coaching call, just pull out the tool out and start using it. And it's like you have us coaching in your pocket, just like Brandon said. So that's an amazing piece right there. And then we've got the Profit Cleaners template vault, a $997 value, which is every script, every checklist, every SOP we use in the backside of all of our systems, whether that's hiring or training or marketing, sales. You're going to get all that as well.
And then this one is new for us. This is a Black Friday live implementation sprint. So that's a $500 value. This is a 90-minute group kickoff call for Black Friday buyers only. So those of you who buy for this specific promo will get a 90-minute session with us where we can kind of guide you through to what you're getting, how to access it, and answer any questions you may have then. So the total value, once you add all these things up, $16,379 or more. And your price, the ridiculous offer, is $997.
Yeah, which I think is appalling. It's probably some of you are going, what the heck? This is crazy. It is crazy. We're a little bit crazy, and we're making this amazing offer because we want to just help as many people out there that were on the fence, that were wanting to be part of this in the past that couldn't. This is your opportunity, right? So you can either join for $997 or 3 easy payments of $397, right? So you can break it up into 3 payments if you'd like. Whatever works better for you. There's really just no excuse at this point. If you are serious about growing your cleaning business, jump in and we'll give you guys the link to join. It's going to be profitcleaners.com/last-class, or you're already on the page, watching this video right now. But if you want to go and get to join the program, that's how you get there. profitcleaners.com/last-class. But like Brandon said, if you add it all up, $16,000 of value. So incredible value. I wish we would have had this in the beginning, Brandon, when we started, a little coach in our pocket to come alongside with it and ongoing coaching calls and all this. So again, this is your Black Friday special, guys. $997, $397, 3 payments of $397 if you want to split it up. And we're really excited to be sharing this with you guys. There's a lot of courses out there. I know we've bought a lot of courses, but this is different, guys, because this is also your lifetime access to the ongoing coaching, which I think is the most phenomenal part about this. Being part of that community, being part of those ongoing calls. And again, we're never going to open this back up in the future just because of the state of things and that being in conflict legally with what we can be doing. So this isn't theory. This is what works. This is the community, the ongoing coaching, the real value there. I think you guys are going to just be above and beyond where you need to be when you have that kind of knowledge and community around you. So after Monday at midnight, it goes away. So this is your last ticket in. Click the link below. We'll see you guys on the inside.
So this is the last chance, just to really hammer it home. So last chance. We'll see you on the inside. To get this offer, you need to go to profitcleaners.com/lastclass before midnight on Cyber Monday.
Yeah, so take advantage of this opportunity, guys. Don't sleep on it. Massive action will change your life, change your business. So we'll see you guys on the final last class. Jump in, and happy Thanksgiving, happy Black Friday, Cyber Monday. We'll see you guys on the inside. Keep it clean.
Keep it clean.